this final solar sneeze event is it's described, and I was shown an image or a visualization of it. The sun had a complete ejection of its corona. It just ejected in all directions, and then the sun turned dark, like one of the dark spots that you see on the sun. The entire sun was dark for a number of days after that.
So it's possible we may have 3 days of darkness?
Yes.
Okay, interesting. And of course, I've had several of these questions. Do we have any time frame for that? It's a window of opportunity, right?
Yes. Well, the